Swing into English. Understanding swing set. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into a phrase that you might have heard in conversations about playgrounds or backyards. Swing set. Whether you're a beginner in English or looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding this term will help you not only enrich your language skills but also give you a peek into a common childhood memory for many. So, let's set the ball rolling. A swing set is a piece of equipment often found in playgrounds or backyards. It typically consists of a frame made of wood, metal, or plastic, from which one or more swings are suspended. Swings are seats, sometimes flat or slightly curved, that hang from chains or ropes and can move back and forth. A swing set can have other components too, like slides, ladders, or even monkey bars. But why is this simple play equipment called a set? The word set in English often refers to a group of matching items or things that go together. So, a swing set is not just a single swing but usually a group of swings that are installed together. Beyond the physical description, swing sets hold a special place in many cultures. They are seen as a symbol of childhood, outdoor play, and sometimes even freedom or carefree days. When people talk about swing sets, they might be referring to the joy and the playful memories associated with them. This term can evoke nostalgia and is often used metaphorically in songs, stories, and conversations to refer to simpler times or the pleasures of childhood. Let's look at some examples of how swing set can be used in everyday conversations. Descriptive usage: my backyard is big enough for a swing set and a small garden. Nostalgic reference: every time I see a swing set, I remember the summers I spent at my grandmother's house. Metaphorical use: even though we are adults now, sometimes I wish we could go back to the days of swing sets and sandbox castles. When you're learning English, it's important to know not just what words mean but also how they're used in context. These examples show that swing set can be more than just a playground fixture. It can also be a powerful tool for storytelling and emotion. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the phrase swing set. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of not only the term itself but also its place in everyday language and cultural context. English is full of such phrases that paint pictures and tell stories, and I look forward to sharing more of them with you. Until next time, keep practicing and have fun learning.